I'm really happy the way how Planview developed the last years. So thinking back 10 years ago when we had Enterprise One, it solved some of our pain points. But for example, we always missed the collaboration part. So it was a tool for a portfolio manager or a project manager. But as soon as we had collaboration with external people, with teams, we missed it. And then they were doing it somewhere else, in a Microsoft product or in a Jira product, which we didn't like because then we left our platform. And so we are really happy that the things which happened the last, I would say, 5, 6, 7 years, the new acquisitions, the new tools on the platform, because it really helps to close the gaps. Saying, okay, if you want to do collaboration, now we have ProjectPlace. You can do it there, and it's even better than everything you have done in the other tools. We have a lot of agility is growing in our company as well, like everywhere. And their portfolios for them, for the teams, was also not the answer. So we were happy that AgilePlace was available. So they can use that for their PI planning, for their Agile team management, for their Scrum teams. And it works pretty well. And we can also close that gap. I would say it really accelerated the last couple of years from the Planview side. And it really helped us to close all our gaps which were there before.